Have you ever lost in an endgame just because you got stuck and don't know what to do? Well, then you are in luck because today we are going to discuss about different type of common endgames which you can learn and apply in your next game. Okay, let's start with a tricky one. Rook versus rook and bishop endgame. We are playing as white and the first thing you have to look for is the checks. So rook goes to f8 check. There's only one option which is rook e8 blocking the check. Rook goes to f7, staying on the 7th rank, trying to deliver the checkmate in the future. The rook goes to e2, trying to defend that with the e5. Rook h7, rook e1. Now it is a cycle about to start now. See, rook b7, rook comes to c1. Now the king cannot checkmate the opponent because the rook is protecting it, right? Bishop b3, rook c3 attacking the bishop. Bishop goes back to e6. Rook gives a check. Bishop blocks. Now the rook comes to c3 again. Now the rook gives a check with the help of our king. The king escapes. The king is trying to run, but the rook won't let it run. Rook will catch it with rook to b7 check. King goes back to c8. Then comes rook b4. Now whatever black rook plays here, which is b3, now we go to a4. Now whatever the black rook plays here, it is simply a checkmate. The rook takes the bishop with a check. Now you are going to win in this, right?
Okay, now let's move on to the most common endgame, the king and the pawn endgame. We are playing as white. The first move we will play, but the first move will be black's. Black played c6. We gave an opposition. Black went back. We did not give an opposition yet. We went into his territory. Black gave us an opposition. We went up. He again gave us an opposition. We went up again. He's still giving the opposition like a persisting kid wanting a chocolate. Now what we did, we did a waiting move. We waited for a moment. Black went down. We crawled into his territory. And now black is trying to attack our pawn. No worries. We are going to attack his pawns. Black went in. We went in as well. Black is trying to control our pawns. But we wait again. Black took our pawn. We took his. Black took our pawn again. But what we did? We move away, trying to make a path for our pawn to promote to a queen with a check. And I hope you know how to win in this position, right? So now moving on, we have knight and rook versus a knight and rook, okay? So this is our position. It is an end game, okay? And it is white to play first. So what white does is, white kicks out the knight. Knight goes back to c6, okay? Now we take the free pawn. Rook comes to give a check on e1, okay? We hide behind our pawns. Not a bad thing, to be honest. Rook tries to attack our pawn on h4. We protect that pawn with rook h6. Rook goes for our other pawn, which was on c2. So we go to give a check, king moves, and then we try to attack their pawn. He takes our pawn, we take their pawn. Knight gives a check. It is a discover attack on our knight as well. So what we're going to do? We are going to ignore that check. We are going to play b3. Rook takes our knight. We take their knight. Now we have an extra pawn which is going to become a pass pawn. Okay, and I hope you know how to win this position, right? Okay, let's move on to queen versus queen endgame. Here you can see black has an advantage with 2 pawns, but that advantage nonetheless will not help him to win the game. So we first play queen h1. That's a waiting move. We are making an x-ray on the black king. Okay. Then comes queen c8, giving a check to our king. Our king moves, and that's a discovered check to the black king now. Black king moves. Now we start the ladder. Queen h2, king goes back to a8. Queen g2, king comes back to b8. Now queen g3, king goes a8, f4, b8. Now f4, a8, e4, b8. Now this goes on till the queen gets to e7. Now the black is stuck into a zugzwang. What is a zugzwang? Zugzwang is a position where no matter what you play, you are going to lose the game. So white decides to give up the queen. That's a desperate move. White takes the queen. Black pushes the pawn. Black can push the pawn, but black decides to run away. We go for him. Black pushes the pawn again, and then we checkmate the black with the queen. Okay.
I hope you understood everything. Subscribe to Dhyan's Academy, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.